Hello, movers and shakers. I'm Tammy, Chief Strategic Life Refiner of Tammy Services Corporation. I'm super pleased to invite you to be an active participant in our Living Your Truth, a Positive Mental Health Journey for Women workshop. We're going to begin this journey on Thursday, October 2nd at 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. I'm excited for us to learn and grow together to develop a positive mental health with Tammy Services Corporation strategies that will help us to cope with life's challenges, adapt to change, and realize our full potential. Sounds like a great plan, don't you think? I think so. And I know that when you take the strategic steps to next and to better, you'll think so too. Join me and our other learning individuals for a 6-week group coaching workshop where beautiful women are going to be focused on next level living. To next, bold steps towards advancements, where you're going to be able to define your to next. Those bold steps that you will need to move you forward, past the old patterns, and closer to your goals. To better, those improvements that will create lasting change. In our strategic sessions, you'll focus on your to better. Those consistent improvement strategic steps that will help you strengthen and maintain positive mental health to next and to better. So, how are we going to do this, guys? This is a group coaching session. We're going to learn through each other and with each other. We're going to have clear conversations, reflection exercise, and connection opportunities, because this isn't going to be a lecture. It's an interactive discussion where you'll share, reflect, and learn alongside other women walking their own path towards their positive mental health. So many gains, and so many benefits. Ownership and accountability for where we are and where we want to be. Practical tools and reflection exercises that we can practice in the class, and we'll take it into real life as well. Empowerment, accountability partner. We do life together better. Community is where it's at, and we'll build a supportive community. So it will go beyond just the classroom discussion. Every week, we're going to lead with tools, strategies, and encouragement to improve our mental health and to stay accountable to us. We are the people who are living our lives, and we need to know what's going on, right? So, join, connect, ask questions, DM. Your to next and your to better starts here. This group coaching program, which is delivered by Tammy Services Corporation, sponsored by Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, is for you. So looking forward to talking with you, looking forward to meeting with you, and looking forward to doing life in community. Empowered together, we will. Bye.